Are you looking for the best baking mixers? In this video we will look at some of the best on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Black Plus Decker MX600B. The Black Plus Decker MX600B is a versatile and efficient mixing set designed to enhance your kitchen experience. With its innovative design featuring 2x more beater surface area, this mixer ensures increased contact with ingredients and provides complete control over the mixing process. Operating at 120 volts, it offers a powerful performance for various culinary tasks. The mixing set includes 2 helix beaters, 2 dough hooks, and 1 wire whisk, catering to a range of mixing needs. The reinforced nylon beaters contribute to the mixer's strength, allowing it to handle tough mixes with ease and ensuring durability for consistent and reliable performance. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer is a powerhouse in the kitchen, offering a mixing experience comparable to KitchenAid stand mixers. With its 300-watt motor, this mixer effortlessly handles thick batters and doughs, making it a reliable companion for baking enthusiasts. The tilt-up head design allows for easy addition of ingredients and quick attachment changes. One of its standout features is the complete bowl coverage, eliminating the need for scraping. The planetary mixing action ensures that the beaters rotate around the forequart stainless steel bowl, providing even and thorough mixing every time. This mixer comes equipped with a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater, offering versatility for various recipes. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan Mini. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini stands out as a versatile and compact addition to the renowned KitchenAid mixer lineup, known as the #1 mixer brand globally. Crafted with durable metal construction, this mixer is designed to endure demands of various kitchen tasks. Boasting 67 touch points around the mixer bowl, it ensures thorough and consistent mixing results. Featuring a 3.5-quart stainless steel bowl, the Artisan Mini is ideal for smaller batches, capable of mixing up to 5 dozen cookies in a single batch using the flat beater. The bowl is also dishwasher safe, adding convenience to the cleanup process. The tilt head design enhances accessibility to the bowl, making it easy to add ingredients, and it can be locked in place during mixing for stability. Number 4. Ankastrom Original 6230. The Ankastrom Original 6230 is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that stands out with its sleek black chrome mixer base, featuring a durable combination of stainless steel and carbon steel elements. This powerful mixer boasts a 600-watt motor that operates quietly while delivering impressive performance. Equipped with a 7-liter stainless steel mixing bowl, the Ankastrom Original 6230 provides ample space for various culinary endeavors. The included accessories, such as the dough roller, dough knife, dough scraper, dough hook, and multi-wire balloon, contribute to its versatility. Additionally, a 3.5-liter BPA/bits per second Friedrichsen plastic mixing bowl is included for added convenience. Number 5. SMEG 50s Retro Pink Stand Mixer. The SMEG 50s Retro Pink Stand Mixer is a charming and functional kitchen appliance that combines a nostalgic aesthetic with modern functionality. Its eye-catching pink color adds a touch of retro flair to any kitchen, making it a stylish and fun addition to your culinary space. Equipped with a steel bowl lock, this stand mixer ensures stability and security during operation, allowing you to confidently mix, whip, and knead various ingredients. The steel bowl lock feature not only enhances the mixer's performance but also contributes to its durability, making it a reliable companion for your baking and cooking adventures.